Watch one YouTube video and you'll earn $1.50. Watch 10 and you'll make over $15. This app is available worldwide, and you can withdraw directly to your bank account. Let's get started. First, go to this brand new website, HeavenGamers.com, where you can earn by testing apps, playing games, completing surveys, and most importantly, watching videos. People withdraw money every minute, proving this is a great way to earn online. Sign up by creating a username, entering your email, name, and password. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. To start earning, click Earn, then select Luda Offers. A pop-up will show different earning methods. Choose the video watching option, and you'll find YouTube videos in categories like business, gaming, DIY, and food. Select a category, press Watch Videos, and you'll be redirected to loot.tv. Sign up there, and it will automatically link to your HeavenGamers account. Your earnings from loot.tv will transfer directly. Another way to earn is through Adscend offers. Select categories like viral or music videos and start earning. Clicking Start Earning will take you to another site where you register, link your account, and start watching. These websites share ad revenue with you, so the more ads you watch, the more you earn. For those interested in watching ads, select Time Wall Offers. Sign up, go to Clicks, and watch short ads. A 5-second ad can earn you points, which you can later withdraw. The more ads you watch, the more you make. Another earning method is installing apps from the Featured Offers section. Click View All to see available app offers. Many apps, including e-commerce ones like Alibaba, pay you to install and open them. Some apps offer over 16,000 coins just for playing games. However, most offers are for new users, so using a fresh email is recommended. To cash out, go to Withdraw. Depending on your country, you'll find options like PayPal, bank transfer, Visa, and gift cards. Once you reach 1,000 coins, you can withdraw your earnings and start earning today. Blast off